So, and come to the cemetery to get some peace. Just relax, go for a little walk. And it's packed. It's packed. I'm telling you, it's a total Portland thing. There was no parking. And there's people doing the same thing I'm doing in a wonderful cemetery.
I can't live without you. I was roaming through the dark, baby. Ooh, you keep making it shine. I'm in love with how you talk, baby. My ears craving the sound.
I love coming here. It's a beautiful day. I mean, beautiful day in Oregon is when it's not raining. A little bit of sun, kind of brisk. I don't know, looking at the headstones just makes you reflect on your life. And you see how old some of these are. People passed over 100 years ago and they're here. And is that it? I think I want to be cremated and have my ashes thrown somewhere beautiful. I don't know. I don't know what I want. How would I know? I'd be dead.
If I could hold you tight.
I can't take you home, sweetie. I can't take you home. Okay? You have to stay here. I don't feel like working today. I still have work to do. And if I would just get it done, I would feel relaxed. But I ain't feeling it today. I feel like going on a walk or strolling around Portland. Let's do that, okay? Let's do that. You know what's really interesting is that this channel started out as a travel channel. And then I fell down and whoops, oh, I got raped. So then it became a Me Too channel. And then I started thinking, you know, I think I want to do #vanlife. Yeah, but I don't want to do the work and I don't want to drive around alone. So then I thought about tiny house. I want to live in a tiny house. But they're so popular now, they're really expensive. So I scratched that. I thought, well, I'm going to buy some land. That's what I'm going to do. And put a fifth wheeler on it. But that didn't work either. So what is my niche? Usually YouTubers have a niche. They start off with something, and because people are interested in, let's just use #vanlife as an example, and they start off with that, but then people continue to follow because they really like the person. Mine is the opposite. You either have to really like me, or my videos aren't interesting because I don't have a niche. Well, let's just get out of here. Want to go? Let's go. I'm ready to go. Well, I made it down to City Liquidators. Apparently it's still here and it's still open. Let's go inside and check it out, right? It's too big and way too expensive. Ooh, I do like this. Not the orange. But I do like the price. It's just too big.
And don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Don't need you here to say you're sorry.
So when I'm feeling like super unhealthy, and like last night I ate buffalo wings and 5 boxes of Dots and a bunch of sugary juice. My body told me in the middle of the night that wasn't right. And so I come over to the Portland Juice Company and get something raw, something healthy, something to clean out my system, and something to refuel me. So this is where we're at. So. Hey. Good. So you hipped me to that Dharma, and I really like it.
Oh yeah.
I actually came back the other day and got some more.
Okay, I can go grab it. We have it in the
Okay, thank God. Thank God. It's my favorite right here.
Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are.
So the Maya is just coconut water and coconut meat. And again, this is raw. This is all raw. And this one is more of a treat for me just because it tastes really good. It's supposed to be hydrating. But yeah, I love it. She hit me to the chick that works in there, to Dharma. And Dharma has, let's see if we can focus in. Oh, celery, apple, spinach, kale, parsley, and lemon. And it's raw. So after last night's fun loving running to the bathroom all night, this is going to do the job. I'm proud of myself.